back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, please make sure you press the subscribe button that's down below, and also don't forget to press that bell notification so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. This video is going to be a small business promo with a giveaway. Now before I do start it, I want to ask, like, do you guys want me to, when I do receive like the packages, do you guys want me to just pile them up and then just do a whole dedicated video to small businesses, or like before I start a video I just talk about that small business and then I go on to the next video? Let me know what you guys think down below. But for today I am going to be trying out just doing the packages before I start the video, which I did get a package from a business, and I already opened it, but I didn't really look through anything yet. I opened it just so I can like sanitize everything before I, like, you know, touch it. Make sure you guys are being sanitary and safe and everything. But so, did she have a card? Her thing come in this small cute little purple poly mailer, which is pretty cute. I could have sworn I seen a card. Oh, found it. Alright, so this is how her business card looks like, if the camera wants to focus. This is the name of her business. It's called AFYN Beauty. And this is how the back of her business look like. If I can find her business and things on Instagram, I'll put it like somewhere on the screen so you guys can check that out. But her business is called AFYN Beauty. She did include a letter. Thank you so much. Okay, so hers is with, she has nail polishes, she has lip glosses, and she has lip scrubs. So she has a lot of different things in there. And these two, oh, she's so nice, you guys. She did include a code. It's ROGUE, ROGUE 35 for 35% off if you guys do go on her website and want to purchase something. So make sure you guys use that code. I'll put it somewhere on the screen, or I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. Her packages are so freaking cute. Okay, for some reason, like, where did I see these before? Have you guys ever went to Forever 21 and you guys seen these holographic papers? Like, I used to love these. So her packages look bomb as hell. So the first one I'm showing you guys is a lip gloss, and let me see, I think she included the names of them. She included the names of them. Let's see if I can get this open. All right, so for the, oh, so she included, oh shit, she's so nice. She included the nail polish, a lip gloss wand, and then a squeeze tube, and then a lip scrub. So the name of her, this is the lip gloss and a squeeze tube. It's like a pretty pink color, which is perfect because I only, like, as you guys can see by my YouTube and everything, I only like literally wear like nude, pink, and colors like that. So that color was called Pop. I think that's what it's called. It's called Pop. So if you guys are interested in this color on her website, it's called Pop. And then this one, which is the one with the wand, is called Mahogany, and it's like a pretty brown glittery color. It's pretty cute. It's not really like my color that I would wear, but I actually would wear this with like a brown lip liner. That would be pretty cute. And then let me see how this look like. Let's see. Oh shit, I put it on my, yeah, it smells so good. Oh, it smells like cotton candy. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it's like a cute little light pink tint to it, which is mad cute. And then she included a nail polish. I actually need to get my nails done, honestly, and I've been looking to just getting my own nails done. But this is how it looks like. Ooh, this is a pretty green. I love neon greens. I love neon yellows on my nails and stuff like that. So this is a really pretty color. I didn't know people can actually just make nail polish. That's so crazy. Yo, it looks really nice, you guys. The consistency and everything is really nice. So if you guys are looking for nail polishes and stuff like that, yo, she got y'all. This is mad pretty. I know in this quarantine, everybody and stuff are looking busted as shit right now, because the nail salons and stuff. Yo, I can't get this last one to open. Okay, I got it. Yo, I never had a lip scrub before, but I always wanted to have a lip scrub, because lately my skin been like freaking the freak out, and also my lips been pretty dry lately. Oh my god. Yo, this smells so good. It smells like a pomegranate. Yeah, it smells like pomegranate, you guys. This smells mad good. But that's all the 3 things, I think 4. Yeah, 4 things that she sent me. She's so nice. So again, her business is called hold on, her business is called the AFYN Beauty. I'll link everything down below. And also, if you guys are gonna go on her website, make sure you guys use the code ROGUE35 so you guys get 35% off your order. I think it's 35 or 30% off your order, so take advantage of that, and you guys just support each other and stuff like that. But yeah, so let me know if you guys like me to do it this way, or if you guys just want a whole dedicated video. Now, another reason why you guys clicked on this video is for the giveaway. I know you guys see that we are at 4K. Like, it happened like mad quick, not really too quick. I know it might not seem like that much to a lot of people, but to me it's like a lot. Like, because honestly, when I first started YouTube, I didn't think it was gonna be like, I'm not about to do a whole spiel, but just know we hit 4K. I know by now we're like 4.1 by now, so our next goal is 5K, which is gonna be mad crazy. But this giveaway is I think I'm gonna be picking 2 people. I'm gonna be picking 2 people, and of course the winners are gonna be able to pick whichever they want. Like, I'm gonna be giving away either lip gloss, or they can have lip gloss bases. So if you guys would like the lip gloss base, you guys can. If you guys want the lip gloss, you can. But so now the whole rules for this, like, it's pretty simple. Like, it's nothing too serious, and I did realize you guys really loved the lip gloss base giveaway that I did last time. So yeah, so it's gonna be pretty simple. It's basically gonna be the same thing as last time, but for this time, literally all you have to do is make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, which obviously subscribe to my channel, and also follow my business page. And if you guys want like extra kudo points, you guys can follow my personal IG, but you guys don't really have to do that. Just make sure you guys are subscribed and follow my business page. That's literally it. You come back to this video and you say done. Subscribe and follow my business page, and you guys can have a chance to win a free lip gloss base. Like, I fucks with y'all. Thanks for getting me to 4K. I have a lot of other content that I really want to work on. I really want my channel to be more, I don't know, like interactive and more fun, and not just have sit down videos all the time. Now, I am gonna say that I am not gonna just do like lip gloss videos all the time. I am gonna do different things and stuff, so keep in mind of that. But once I pick a winner, I think I'm gonna make this about a week, or probably less than a week. I'll let you guys know in the description bar down below. So I'll let you know when the winners have been picked. Last time I did put it up on the community tab, so make sure you guys keep keep up with that because it will be in the community tab. Now I personally don't really pick the winners because I want it to be as fair as possible, so I make sure I put everybody's name on a wheel and I literally make the wheel pick it so it could be fair for everybody, so it's not like I'm like, you know, doing favoritism or anything. So but yeah, so make sure you guys are subscribed and follow my business page and come back here and say done, and that's literally it. That's all you have to do to get a chance to win from this giveaway. But thanks you guys for supporting and everything, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.